Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12S Pro, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the app which will provide us with a keyboard. So for example, the messages, the browser, notes, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and then we have to tap on the settings icon. Now let's enter the languages, and this is the list of currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. As you can see, this list is so wide, and I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to set. If you will find it, then all you have to do is to tap on it. Pick the region if you can, and here we've got the keyboard layouts, and the amount of the keyboard layouts depends on the language. Sometimes you will be able to pick only one, and sometimes up to 5 or 7 different layouts. So in my case, I'd like to use the order one, so let me mark it and untick this option, so I'll have only one, and tap on Done. As you can see, it was immediately applied to the section of our languages. So let me go back to the keyboard in order to show you the differences. So we will have two. Right now we've got only one, so the language key, thanks to which we can change the language just by tapping on it. You can see that I've got Urdu one. What is more, on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So right now English, and here Urdu. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. You just want to have one. So let's enter the languages again. And here in this step, in this list, we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language, and tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning, of course, instead of English, you can have any other language you want to. And right now, we cannot change the language, we do not have the language key, which simply means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Xiaomi 12S Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.